this video, we're going to cover the 65 through 70 Mustang rear mini tub kit offered through Stang-Aholics. This rear mini tub kit by Detroit Speed will include two new inner wheelhouses for the left and right hand side. This wheelhouse will be approximately 2¼ inches wider than your stock inner wheelhouse. As you'll also notice, the wheelhouse will have OE style ribbing in it, so that way you will not lose an original style appearance on the inside of the wheelhouse. You're going to get two new frame sections, which will give you the extra clearance as well. You get the frame doubler plates. So these are the plates that will basically tie in this new frame section to the original frame. You're going to also get a template that pulls out and allows you to measure to install the wheelhouse correctly. And then you're going to get a complete install booklet as well, which covers most of the main areas of the install, and is about 16 pages long. So now taking a closer look at these new inner wheelhouses, like I said earlier, they're going to give you about a 2¼ extra clearances over the stock inner wheelhouse. You will still use your original outer wheelhouse, so these will just replace the inners, and you still use the original outers. These will butt right up to the original outers. And on the 65 through 66 Mustangs, you'll be able to fit about a 315 section width tire, and in the 67 to 70 Mustangs, you can get a little bit bigger, so you can put up to about a 335 section width rear tire in the 67 to 70 Mustangs. As you can see too, which I pointed out earlier, it does have the OE style ribbing present too on the panel, so that way if somebody were to look on the inside there of the wheelhouse, it would resemble an original inner wheelhouse. Now we'll take a closer look at the frame sections. So these sections here are about 21 inches long, and what these are going to do is they will replace that section of your rear frame rail. So you're going to completely replace a 21-inch long section of the rear rail, and the reason to use these is the rear frame rail actually goes diagonal like this out. And so what happens is your tire is right here, and as that frame section starts to go out diagonal, it would interfere with a wider tire. So this new frame section keeps it straight for the distance where the wheel would interfere with it, and then it angles back to tie in with the original frame rail in the rear. The last pieces to cover of this mini tub kit are these frame rail doubler plates. So you get these plates which you will basically tack weld in place at their transition point from the original frame rail to this new frame section that you'll install. Doubler plates will come with these pre-drilled holes in them, so those will be where you'll basically plug weld the plates to join the old frame rail to this new frame section. So you'll tack weld these into place to hold them in, and then go through and plug weld each hole to tie it all together, and then weld everything solid, again making it strong at that transition point from the original frame rail to the new frame section.